Darian Thomas here, and today I'm going to teach you a step-by-step guide on how to put these little, they're almost like little screws into the sink to support it underneath the sink. So these can be really confusing on how to put them in, but I'm going to do a step-by-step instruction. So obviously this is, what you want to do is you want to make sure that they're all like this, but how do you get them like this? So pretty simple, right? So what you want to do is this piece here, you want to make sure that this piece is setting up, okay? And what's going to happen is this screw is going to go into this piece like this. And one second. All right, so I'm holding it this way, okay? As I'm holding it, this screw goes into this end here, okay? Now, when you screw it in, you're actually going to go the opposite way. You're actually going to go left. It's going to seem like you want to tighten it, but you're actually going left. I'll explain why, but it just goes in just like that. I'll do that one more time. So this piece here, sitting like this, right? I'm going to turn it, and it goes in there just like this, okay? And it's going left. I'm screwing it in to the left. Remember lefty loosey, righty tighty? Well, in this situation, the left is where it's gonna, it's how it's gonna get in there just like that. So I'm gonna make sure all of my pieces are this to get started. All right, so I'm underneath my sink now, and I'm gonna show you, this is a finished one that I did, but I'm gonna show you how to put these in. So this, if you notice, there's a small little slit there. I'm gonna put this in there and it fits in just like that. Now, when I slide it over, I can't pull it down, right? Because it fit in this little slit right here. So I fit it in there, okay? And I'm gonna slide it over. And I wanna get, pretty close to the end. I just wanna make sure that these ends are tightened down. But if you notice, how I'm gonna tighten it is I'm going to the right now, okay? Now, I wanna hand tighten it as much as I can. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my flathead screwdriver. There's a small little slit for it. I'm gonna take my flathead screwdriver. It's gonna be very tough for me with this video. And I'm just gonna tighten it. Now, I don't wanna tighten it crazy tight. I'm just gonna tighten it enough to where, I think it's snug. But that is pretty much all you gotta do. Hopefully this video was helpful, and thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.